Hello everyone, today I will guide you through the process of creating a template in Word. A template in Word is a document with preset text and formatting designed for specific purposes such as a CV, invoice, report, or legal document. When you open a template, you can edit and save it as a new document while keeping the original template unchanged. Let's start with step 1, saving your document as a template. Click on File and select Save As. Choose a location to save your file. Under Save As, type Select Word Template. Word will automatically save it in the Custom Office Templates folder. Finally, click Save. Now let's move on to step 2, accessing and using your template. Click on File, then select New and go to the Personal tab to find your saved templates. Click on your template to open it. A new document will open with the template's formatting and content ready to use. For step 3, let's create a new document from your template. Simply repeat step 2 whenever you need a new document. Each time, Word will generate a new document based on your template. Using templates in Word saves time and ensures consistency across your documents. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and reuse templates for various purposes. With this method, you'll improve productivity and maintain a professional document structure. That's it. Thanks for watching. Now you can easily create and use templates in Word.